This website, bubbl.us, is what we will be using to make a plan for our project. bubbl.us is a brainstorming program that allows us to use a graphic organizer to put together all of our thoughts. We'll use this to talk about all the different areas of the school that we would like to put inside of our presentation and the different picture ideas that we would like to include in the presentation. First, let's create an account. When you create the account, I'd like for you to make your username your first name and the first letter of your last name. Your password should be the password that was given to you here at school to use on the computers. Confirm your password. Please do not put in a name. You may use your personal email address. Confirm the email address. Click that you have read and accept the terms of agreement, and then click Create Your Account. Once you're logged in, you're ready to start brainstorming. The first thing we see is the thought bubble in the middle. Inside here, we can enter our first thought, our topic that we would like to discuss. As you can see, there's a couple of other extra menus. This creates a new thought bubble. This at the bottom creates a connector bubble. As you can see, the connector bubble turned a different color. If we click out into the open space, we can now hover over the bubbles and see a different menu that pops up at the top. This menu allows you to change the color of the bubble. It allows you to change the text color within the bubble. You can also delete the bubbles that you've made. One thing that's pretty tricky about this website is if you're clicked inside the bubble and you're trying to get the other menus to come up, you need to click outside into blank space before you can see that bubble. In order to move the bubble, there's a couple of different ways. You can drag it by the corner, hold the mouse down, move it to where you'd like, or when you hover over the bubble, you can see this bar that says Move, and you can move it with that. What I'd like for you guys to do is think about the different areas that you would like to present on. It would tell people about the culture here at Central Middle International School. I'd like for you to use this website to write out the different areas that you'd like to talk about, and then add a connector bubble and talk about the different images or pictures that you would like to use in order to represent each of the area. To keep our ideas organized, put each topic and pictures in the same color. For example, if this one starts out yellow, let's make sure it stays yellow. If this is a new topic idea, let's change its color. And then all of the connector bubbles should also be the same color, just to help us keep our thoughts organized. Once you're done with your plan, you can print it out so that you can follow your plan and allow it to help you with making your movie.